Purpose-built for OEM and embedded use, Izenda 7 series features a modern three-tiered embedded architecture that is modular, extensible, and scalable. Utilize new UI-based administrative tools to streamline integration with existing applications and data sources. Minimize the amount of development effort required to deploy and manage embedded analytics inside your application. Izenda is an ideal solution for an organization looking to provide self-service reports, dashboards, and data visualizations in an integrated user experience that can be 100% white-labeled. The following is a more technical directed overview of Izenda's features and functions. For this video, we will be using an Izenda-branded demonstration site, but it is important to note that all platform elements or any module in the platform can be rebranded and embedded within your application. What you get when you download Izenda is a three-tiered web application. This allows companies to completely customize and brand Izenda for embedding purposes into the front end of an existing application. There is a React.js application on the front end, an Izenda.net web API at the application layer, and we store configuration data inside a relational database. This means you'll leverage some MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, or Postgres database to store Izenda's report definitions, configuration data, and data model setup. For initial setup and general administration around Izenda, a user-friendly administration UI is contained within the out-of-the-box product. While Izenda is a completely open platform allowing for full customization by developers from a code perspective, the administration UI provides a convenient and fast way to set up and administrate the application. Izenda's admin functionality allows you to manage data setup for reporting through controlling visual data sources. Some solutions require extensive coding to set up and administer an integrated solution. However, in Izenda, this can be done in the administration UI, saving development hours and drastically reducing the effort required to configure and deploy an embedded solution. Izenda empowers organizations to prepare data for reporting in order to make it intuitive for business users to design and manage their own reports and dashboards. Izenda's administration UI makes administration of multi-tenant applications easier than ever. Directly through this interface, system-level administrators have the ability to configure what functionality and module access is accessible per tenant, per user, and per role. This provides a tremendous amount of flexibility in how software companies can monetize improved self-service analytics within their application. Izenda supports integration through single sign-on authentication, and, if desired, has a user management interface that can be leveraged. The only difference between the two delivery mechanisms is that for an independent BI portal, users, roles, and tenant IDs will not be inherited through existing single sign-on authentication data. For embedded use, Izenda would look to hook into these single sign-on mechanisms in order to pre-populate all of these tenants, roles, and users. Izenda's admin UI also simplifies the administration of multi-tenant applications. The copy management feature allows for a system-level administrator to manage multiple tenant environments simultaneously. Essentially, work done to create templates, base reports, or common dashboards can be distributed out to tenants across the system. A best practice for this concept is constructing a template tenant with all of its roles, users, and data model set up, and easily creating new copies without the need to replicate the setup screen by screen. Additionally, with a large number of tenants and the potential to have each tenant equipped with a different setup, system-level admins have the convenience of utilizing the system-level dropdown to impersonate their tenant-level administrators. With this feature, it becomes effortless to manage a setup from that tenant's perspective without ever needing to log directly into that tenant's environment. If desired, permissions for individual tenants to manage their own system can be set up. This way, software companies can gauge their end users' ability to navigate the system, or their general understanding of business intelligence, and then make decisions as to whether or not they will support a tenant's access to various self-administration capabilities. With all the options offered by the administration UI, tenants, roles, and users can interact with the system in a variety of different ways, but will inevitably end up with the same result. A purpose-built, all-inclusive self-service business intelligence platform that is designed to quickly enhance existing applications with embedded analytics. Izenda's robust features and functionality offering is only exceeded by its ease of use. For a deeper dive into all that Izenda has to offer, please visit Izenda.com for more details, schedule a free personalized demo, or request a free trial.